Welcome back to Studio. In this video, we'll be talking about how to use activities as well as how to use the tour builder. When opening activities in Studio, the activity guide will appear in the top left corner. These arrows will allow you to navigate through questions and tasks to complete the activity. You may be asked to type answers to questions or to take a photo to show your answer. If the question asks for a photo, start by clicking the camera icon in your activity guide. Point your stylus beam into the scene and your stylus beam will change into a viewfinder so you can see what you're taking a picture of. You can zoom in by left-clicking your stylus once, twice, and, well, no, that's it. After 2 zooms, your viewfinder will zoom back out. To take the picture, simply click the center button on your stylus. Your picture will immediately appear here. You should note this is a little different than taking pictures with the camera tool in Studio. Pictures taken with the camera tool will not show up in your activity guide. And vice versa, pictures taken from a question will not show up in your gallery. So make sure to use the right camera for the right task. Once you're done with an activity, click here in the text box. You'll be prompted to either submit your answers by typing your name and class, or you can save your answers to a PDF file on your hard drive. Maybe you want to teach someone else about a model, or models, by creating a presentation. Or perhaps you're feeling creative and want to tell a story with your models. Studio's got you covered with Tour Builder. Let's take a look by heading into Sandbox mode. In Studio, these squares in your home control bar will open our Tour Builder timeline. Here we can use slides to create multiple scenes to progress through. Every time you click the plus sign, a new moment is captured onto a slide. We can then make changes. Add or remove models, text, pictures. Using your arrows, you can navigate between these moments in your timeline. Connect to zView and you can share your presentation with the whole class. Activities and the Tour Builder are a great way of learning more about your models and testing your knowledge. Have fun exploring with Studio in zSpace.